Hello, I'm going to show you around the Appraisd app for Slack. If you're a Slack user, you'll find it extremely helpful for incorporating personal development and performance management into your working routine. Our Slack app will help you see upcoming reviews, check-ins, objectives, and feedback requests, give instant feedback and praise to your colleagues, add personal notes for yourself or about a team member, and get your Appraisd alerts in real time. First of all, to install the app, search for the Appraisd app in the marketplace and install just like you would any other app. Once it's installed, you'll see it as a new icon on the left-hand side. When you load the app for the first time, it may ask you to log in. Let's take a look at this dashboard. Click Give Feedback to give someone some feedback. You can also make a personal note using this button. And this button will open Appraisd in a new window. Below these buttons, you can see the items that need your attention, along with buttons on the right-hand side to open them up in Appraisd. As you can see, I've got the actions I need to take as a manager at the top here, and then there's a section on my own reviews and check-ins. Finally, you'll see your objectives and personal development. Depending on the way you use Appraisd, the wording may be different in your case. The app will also give you notifications when you receive some feedback or someone in your team completes their preparation for a check-in, for example. You can find them all on the Messages tab too. That's all for this video. We hope you find it useful.